Today is day 15 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy, in order for me to do that, I have to find a design, slice it, print it, film it, upload it on a daily basis here on the channel. Normally we don't do this type of content. What we got going on is large scale 3D prints, extruders, software, and we also even build industrial grade 3D printers. Link is in the description box below. Now we're just a little fraction under 50% with today's video of completing this challenge. Today we have a small prop that can be used for anybody who's going to decide to dress up as Jeepers Creepers or anything like that. Let's go ahead and hop into today's print. And here we have it, the throwing star Jeepers Creeper used in Jeepers Creepers 2 when he popped that bus tire. Nice little print we got done today. For a little under halfway done with this challenge. We still have a lot to go, a lot to do, and I'm just excited to just get through this challenge. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. Let us know what you guys would like to see on the channel, as well as what you guys think tomorrow's print will be. And subscribe as well, and I will catch you guys on tomorrow's video.